Hi everyone, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. I am back at you with another Mother's Day basket. And this is my lime pink basket. I put a set of pajamas in there and I marked the L on there so we would know what size they were. We have a pink loafer. I have the Dollar Tree set of the body scrub and the bath bombs, as well as some bath salts in there. I used the coconut lime bath bomb and our pink tricycle. These are the baskets that I got at Bargain Hunt. So if you haven't watched that video, please go back and watch that video for the Bargain Hunt haul. I put some shred in there and put one of the daisies in there as a filler. This pajama set was picked over, of course, by the time I got to the sale. So I had to match the top and bottom. And then I put them around the box and decided to put a ribbon around them as well as put them in a shrink wrap bag and shrink wrap them. So that's what I did. And I think this basket turned out beautifully. I love the colors in it. Please make sure you comment below your thoughts on this basket. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for tuning in, and thank you for all of your support. Remember to tune in to Crafting with Katrina. Be blessed and be a blessing.